Hello, in front of me I've got MG3. In this video I'll show you how safe this car is. The MG3 Hybrid Plus includes a comprehensive package of active safety systems, including autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert on higher trims. These technologies help reduce driver workload and improve accident avoidance. The vehicle is built to modern safety standards and offer rigid body structure with multiple airbags. Overall, it provides comprehensive level of safety for super mini segment. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.